Hi there, I'm Ryan. I'm the chef and restaurant manager here at the Broadway Grille and Pub in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. I am going to be making a Chilean sea bass tacos with pico de gallo, avocado, and a cilantro lime marinade for you today. So we're going to start off by making a fresh pico de gallo. We're using Roma tomatoes, fresh garlic. One of our next ingredients, red onion. One of the key ingredients is jalapeno. Last ingredient, cilantro. Next ingredient is our fresh Hass avocados. One of our last steps here is going to be cooking our Chilean sea bass. But these little guys are all good to go. Thank you again for joining us here at the Broadway Grille and Pub in Jim Thorpe. We'd love for you to come check us out. We're open 365 days a year. You can see us on our website at thebroadwaygrillpub.com, or you can visit us at thepoconomountains.com.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Pocono Tourism YouTube channel and click the bell button below to be the first to watch new videos. You can also click the link on the screen to watch more episodes of Pocono Mountains Magazine.